If you often work with videos on your PC, you probably know how annoying it can be when a file isn't supported, the size is too big, or you need a quick way to convert it. So today we're going to take a look at MiniTool Video Converter, a free and lightweight software that allows you to convert videos into different formats, compress videos without losing quality. There are a lot of built-in features offered in this tool. This tool comes with an intelligent subtitle feature that allows you to quickly convert speech to text using AI models. And yes, you can compress videos to reduce the file size without losing quality, which helps free up storage space. There are many cool features to talk about. For example, you can convert videos into different formats. There are more than 1,000 plus formats, including audio formats as well, for better compatibility with social platforms or various devices. Now, these are the system requirements. It works on both Windows 11 and 10. You need at least 4 GB of RAM, an Intel i5 processor or better. The tool also requires a minimum compatible GPU such as Intel HD 5000 or above. In our case, we are using a very old system, which is more of an entry-level setup, and it should be fair enough for testing. So anyway, to get started, simply click on Download. Then open the setup file to install the software. As usual, accept the terms and click on Install Now. Alright, it's done. Now let's start. And there we go. We are on the main interface. It's very easy to use and convert your video files from here. We have the Convert Video option where you can import media from various sources. There is also the Compress Video option, Capture Screen for screen recording, and the new Intelligent Subtitle feature to quickly convert video speech to text using AI. There are also more tools that you can check out. So anyway, let's begin with Convert Video. Here you need to add or drag and drop the video files to start the conversion. For example, I have this original video in 2K 60 FPS resolution. You can also see its quality and details. I'll simply drag and drop this video, and I'll also add another video in 4K resolution. Even if you have multiple videos in a folder, you can directly import them for batch conversion. Here you can see the original video size is 82 MB along with the resolution. After conversion, the size is reduced to 36 while still maintaining good quality. You can also change it by going to the settings. Here we have different resolution options. For example, I'll choose 1080p. You can even convert this video into different audio formats or select formats based on device compatibility. Now choose the resolution you prefer. As you can see, the size is reduced to around 7 MB, which saves a lot of space. Once everything is set, click on Convert. Alright, it's done. Now let's check the video. And there we go. The quality still looks great. The video has been downscaled from 2K to 1080p. Next, let's try upscaling this video to 4K. You can also see the size difference. It's reduced to around 36 MB even at 4K scale. Now let's convert this again. Meanwhile, let's also try the 4K video that I showed earlier. Go to the settings. Here you can also create a custom resolution based on video quality, resolution, encoder, and frame rate. Choose the encoder you prefer, such as H.264 or MPEG-4, and also adjust the audio encoder and channels. After creating the custom profile, select it and click Convert. Alright, it's done. Here are the output results. This is the 4K converted video from the 2K source, and the quality still looks clear. And this is the custom resolution video we created. It looks perfect. Now let's move to the next feature, video compression. Here's the original video along with its size and resolution. You can also see the recommended compressed size based on the quality range. If you reduce the quality further, the file size will decrease but with lower visual quality. So around 60% quality is a good balance. You can also choose the video format and customize the video and audio encoder from the advanced settings. There is also a preview option before starting the compression. Once everything is set, click Compress, and the file size will be reduced. Let's also try another short video. The processing time depends on system performance and video length. And here is the output. The video still looks completely fine. As I mentioned earlier, this tool also includes a screen capture option. You can record in full screen or select a specific region to capture. Finally, we have the Intelligent Subtitle feature. You can extract text from any speech video using AI models. There are basic, standard, and advanced models where the higher options may require a subscription. Simply import a video with spoken content, and the tool will extract the text automatically.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might.
At the top right, you can edit the subtitle text, change the font size, and adjust the subtitle position. Once everything looks good, click Export. Regardless of the audio language, the tool can recognize, extract, and edit the text within seconds.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with...
Coming to the price. The good thing is, yes, it comes with a free version, where you can be able to convert, compress videos, and more like. If you want more advanced AI tools, then check out these plans too, with better value options. I definitely recommend trying this free video converter tool. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.